You know what? I got food poisoning recently after eating zucchini that I sautéed in a pan. They were big zucchinis that someone had given me. I found them strange because the skin was unusually thick, and honestly, they tasted a little bitter.
But with onions, garlic, and olive oil, I still managed to eat them. The result? I was sick for the full 48 hours that followed. I threw up zucchini and bile, and I had diarrhea on top of it.
I know a lot of things, but I never knew a zucchini could make someone this sick. Here is the explanation.
The truth is, zucchini can be both wonderful for your health and surprisingly dangerous. It all depends on one small detail that most people never think to check: the taste. If a zucchini tastes bitter, even just a little, that bitterness is a warning sign, and you should never ignore it.
But that's not all. That bitter taste comes from a natural compound called cucurbitacin. This compound builds up as the zucchini gets older, and it becomes more concentrated inside bigger, more mature fruits.
Cucurbitacin is actually toxic, even in small amounts. Eating it can trigger vomiting, intense stomach cramps, diarrhea that is sometimes bloody, and dizziness. In rare but serious cases, it can even cause hair loss. This kind of poisoning is more common than people think, and in some cases, it can lead straight to the hospital.
But that's not all. Here is something else that makes this even trickier. Size and appearance can fool you completely.
An oversized zucchini from the garden is not automatically dangerous, but it deserves extra caution. There are also ornamental gourds that look almost identical to zucchini, and every single one of them is toxic. They are sometimes mixed in with real zucchini seeds, especially in home gardens. So the seeds you plant really do matter.
But that's not all. The good news is there is a simple way to protect yourself before you ever start cooking.
Cut a small piece of raw zucchini, place it on your tongue, and pay close attention to the taste. If it tastes neutral, you are safe to cook and enjoy it. If it tastes bitter or strange, spit it out immediately and rinse your mouth with water. And remember this: cooking does not destroy the toxin, so a bitter zucchini stays dangerous even after it hits the pan. If you or someone you love swallows a bitter zucchini, do not try to induce vomiting. Rinse the mouth, drink some water, and contact a poison control center or a doctor if symptoms appear.
To avoid all of this, buy your zucchini young, ideally around 15 to 20 centimeters long, and cook them within 4 days of buying them. Keep them away from direct sunlight at home, since heat and light speed up the production of that toxic compound.
That is the real danger hiding behind one of our favorite summer vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more.